morning, the students of class 7. In my last class, I have already explained about exercise 2E, question number 4 and 5. Now, in today's class, I am going to solve question number 6. So, you please write in my comment section whether you have understood the last video or not. If you have any doubt, you please ask me, and if you get any benefit from this video, please do like my video and subscribe my channel for the recent update, and share it to your other fellow mates so they can also get the explanation. Okay, so now simplify means what? We have to make the simplification, but there is a rule known as in simplification means where you are given to do all the operations simultaneously, like division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So in that case, what you will do, you will give first preference to the division. After division, what you will do, you will multiply if any multiplication operation is given or not. After multiplication, you will give addition, and after that subtraction. Means according to the rule DMAS, means division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So in this question, you see 17.32 minus 18.74 divided by 10. So here which operation are there? Division and subtraction. These two operations you have to do. Now first now the question is first what you will do. First you will do the division. After that what I will do? The subtraction. So solution, I am writing 17.32, 18.74 I can write by 10. Last class I have asked you, no, if 5 divided by 3 is there, then I can write 5 by 3. The same I have written here. Now class, tell me, last class I explained already after decimal point how many digits are there? 2 digits are already there, and another 10. 10 means 1 zeros are there. That means now you have to place the decimal point before 3 digits. Why? Because already after decimal point 2 digits are there. Divided by 10 means you have to add another digits after the decimal point. So here I will write 1874. This decimal point I have shifted here. Now you in a rough you subtract this one, 17.32 minus 1.874. Now subtraction, you see very carefully how you can subtract. Very carefully you see. Here 17.32 is there. Here there is a no digit. No digit means that I can assume here 0 is there. Now you do the subtraction. Nothing is there. That means 10 minus 4 is 6. Here 1 will be there. Again it will carry 1 from 3. 11 minus 7 is what? 4. 1 already carried. Then now here will be 2. 12 minus 8 is what? 4. Now here will be what? Instead of 17, here will be 16. 16 minus 1 is what? 15. So your answer is 15446. And one more thing, suppose if I write 1.0000, after decimal point, no matter how many zeros are there, both are cancelled. It has no value. The value of this rupee will be 1 only, and the value of this rupee 1.00, it will be also 1 only. This point you should know. So you take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot. I know my students are smart. They have taken the screenshot. Now question number 2 you will try. Now I am going to solve question number 4. Question number 4 of this exercise I am going to solve you. Question number 4. Question number 3 also very easy. You can do by yourself. What is given? 4, 3.86 into 8.5 plus 17.4 divided by 0.2. Very interesting question. As I told you, na, simplification, multiple operations they have given you: division, addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So first, what you will do? First, you will divide. After that, you will multiply. Then after multiplying, whatever the result you will get, you will write here. After division, whatever the result you will get, you will write here. After that, you will do the addition and you will get the answer. So let me do. This I can multiply in a rough: 3.86 into 8.5. So now I will forget the decimal point. Let me multiply, assuming that there is no decimal point. 6 5 is 30, carry 3. 5 8 is 40, 40 plus 3 is what? 43, carry 4. 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 4 is what? 19. Now 6 8 is 48, 8 carry 4. 8 8 is 64, 64 plus 4 is 68. Now 8 3 is 24, 24 plus 6 is what? 30. No space, I have written 30 here. Now 0, 8 plus 3 is 11, again 8 20, 10 plus 18, again 2. 3 2 8 1 0. I am writing this answer here: 3 2 8 1 0. Now class, listen. After decimal, how many digits? 2 digit. After decimal, how many digit? 1 digit. 2 plus 1, how many digit? 3 digit. Now you will place the decimal point before 3 digit. Before 3 digit means 1 2 3. Got it? Plus. Now 17.4 we will write divide 0.2, 0.2 here. After writing here, after decimal, how many digit? 1 digit. You will write here multiplication 10. Okay. Here also after decimal, how many digit? 1 digit. Here also you will write here. After that you will remove the decimal point. So once you remove the decimal point, this 0 0 2 0 2 is equal to 2. Same I guess, same thing. Now this 0 0 will be cancelled. Now 174 you can divide by 2. You divide in a rough, we can write, but I know the table thoroughly, so I can cancel. 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16. Now 16 again 1 4, 2 7 is 14. Now what will be your answer? 32.810 plus 87. Now you do the addition in a rough: 32.810. This 87 where you will write? You will write here. Here nothing is there, that means 0 0 is there. 810 you will write. 7 plus 2 is 9. 8 plus 3 is what? 11. So your answer is 119.810. You can write like this also, or you can remove. As I told you, after decimal point, no matter how many zeros are there, you can cancel out. So your answer will be 119.81. This is your answer. You please take the screenshot. Please take that screenshot. I know my students are smart. They have taken the screenshot, and rest of the question is homework. You please try at home. If you can't solve, you ask me. I will make the video of your doubt. Okay, one day I will be coming live either on Facebook or on WhatsApp, so it's not possible. On Facebook or on YouTube, you please post your doubt and I will definitely solve that. Okay. Now let me rub that. Okay. Actually, I ordered this blackboard from online. I have seen the medium size, but they have given the short one. So what I can do, I can return also, because if I return the board, I can take the classes for you in online. So since in home I am there, all the teachers are in a home, so I thought to make use of how much space I have, let me use up to that much only. Now question number 7. Fill in the blanks with multiples of 10. Class, this question answers, it is maybe it is directly given in the book from your back side of the answer, but I want you to understand the concept, how this answer came, behind the, what is the secret behind this answer. So what I told you, when you multiply with 10, 100, 1000 like this, your number, the value of the decimal number will increase, but when you divide, it will decrease. That means after decimal point you will get less digit when you multiply. Before decimal point you will get the when you divide, after decimal point you will get more digit, but when you multiply, after decimal point you will get the less digit. Now how it came? Here will be 10. How this 10 came? You see, 8, 8, 5, I can write 100. Okay. Now in order to make 88.5 in one digit, if I multiply by 10, 10 cancel. Now as I told you, after 110, that means you will place the decimal point before one digit. This is your answer. You understood? You understood how this 10 came? Okay. Now next question similar to that. Here it is given. Okay. Multiples of 10 means what? It is not that you will multiply only 10. Multiples of 10 means either 10, 100 or 1000. Depending on the type of the question, you have to use the number. You have to fill the blanks. Now next question, you see this type, you see question number 4, let me solve. Question number 4, let me solve. Okay, let me fill the ink first. Ink is going to be finished. Please wait for a second. Just wait for a second. Now 0. These two. Let me start with 0.00188 into dash is equal to 18.8. Now, what number you have to multiply? For that, in a rough, what you will do? You will write 188. After decimal point, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 5 digit you will write. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you think, you will multiply which number, so that after you will get, after decimal, 1 digit. If you are multiplying with 10, you will get 4 digit. If you are multiplying with 100, you will get 3 digit. Again one decimal point will come. If you are multiplying with 1000, also the same. So which number you are, how many? Simple. You will write 1. After that, how many digits are there? 4 digits. This you multiply. Okay. Once you multiply, this all 0 will cancel. 188 into 1 will become 188. Divide by 10. Now you can shift the decimal point. You will write 188. After 1, how many 0? 1 0. That means you will shift the decimal point before 1 digit. This is your answer. Very simple. This technique, if you utilize, you can definitely find. Now I am filling up the blank with this. Okay, understood? So with this is very easy. question number 7. The rest of the question is also homework. You please take the screenshot and don't write this one. This is for rough. I have given for to make you the concept clear. Now again, multiplication is gone. Let me solve the division. How you will fill up the blanks with division. These questions are given in order to clear your concept. 98.7 divided by dash is equal to 0.987. Simple. Here after decimal 1 digit. You need after decimal how many digits? 3 digits should be there. So if you are dividing by 100, you will definitely get 3 digits after decimal point, because on 1 digit is already there. If you are dividing by 100, 2 digits you will get. 1 plus 2 is what? How? 3 digit. 3 digit means 3 number. You see, after decimal point, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay. And for those students who can get up, I am explaining for them again. 98.7 you can write like this. Divide by 100 you can write like this. Now 98.7 you remove the decimal point, it will be 10. Now this divide you can write, if you are converting this division sign into multiplication, here you can write 1 by 100. If 5 divide by 2, that time I could write 5 into 1 by 2. If nothing is there, 1 is there. When you convert division sign into multiplication, 1 will go up, 2 will come down. As I explained in my last previous video, if you have any doubt, you please watch it again. Now 10 into 1 is 1. 987 into 1 is 987. 1. How many digits? 3 digits. Now you will write 987. Now you will place the decimal point before 3 digits. So this is your answer. You please, this is for to clear the concept. You please take the screenshot. I know my students are smart. They have taken the screenshot. Let me rub that. Same. Similarly, this one also you can do. I know you can do it. Division, no need to solve the, again you can do it. Now I am directly coming question number 8.